So this guy has been driving for 6 months. Check this out. What do you think he's doing? What do you think he's doing? Leave in the comments. What do you think he's doing? Do you know what he's doing? He's trying to open the hood. He's looking for the lever. He's looking for a handle, a grip, anything, anywhere, something. Because he knows he's right. He knows he's about, he knows he's almost there. Wait, is this you? It's probably you. Hey, if you've done this, let us know in the comments. Alright, can you tell me why this video here of this gorilla cutting a hole, why is he wearing a turban?
Fuckers, I'm tired of going into the truck stop, so I'm making a bathroom in the urban suburban.
What does that mean?
No.
Alright.
Fuckers, I'm tired of going into the truck stop.
What am I allowed to laugh at there? I want to laugh at a bunch of things. I'm secretly laughing inside. I think they're crossing a whole lot of stereotypes there. A whole lot of, and the AI made this. I make AI want to say a bad word. They won't even show a middle finger. Look what this guy did. It's like a whole bunch of racist jokes all in one. It's probably done by a trucker too. It's probably one of us. Which one of you did this to us? Oh, which one of you did this to us? Alright, if you know who it is, let us know in the comments. Alright, tell me if life doesn't feel like this every day. Oh man. Man, he's got that Mountain Dew right there. I don't drink Mountain Dew, but it makes me want to drink Mountain Dew. I don't know about the cigarettes. He can smoke them up. he's got 3 cigarettes. Oh man. We've all done that. And we're way too high for them to see us flip them off, but oh, it's beautiful. Anyway, that one was good. I don't know who uploaded it. Probably a re-upload, but and that made me feel like I was on the road again right there. Like that was real, honest rage. You know how I know this is real? It's got a Tesla logo on there. Because it says Tesla, I know it's real. Elon Musk knows how to make everything right. Look how small those tanks are. Like why wouldn't they make tanks the same size Tesla makes them? That's amazing. What if Elon designed it? Man. That's how much aluminum it takes to make these tanks. Or steel, is it steel? Is it because Elon Musk is a genius? It says right there, Tesla super tanker launches. Yeah, it is. I don't know who makes the Abrams, but you got a lot of competition now. Imagine you seeing that with an American flag on it, coming at you. Man, it's bigger than an idiocracy. Better watch out. Venezuela. So this guy here, he's got the biggest cojones. Like if you saw this, If you saw this in traffic, you'd have to just watch it like a train wreck. God, at this point, he's got to be struggling. You know those tires are spinning. God, what do you think the Swift safety team does when they see this? They got it like, which one is it? Which one of us is it? Can you zoom in enough to see the truck number? Look, he backed up. Means maybe someone in that truck knew to tell him to back up and try it again. See, when they get it, you're like, yeah, they got it. But then the smack talking comes in. But I still think he's got the biggest balls in the freeway. You know, all those trucks wanted to do that. All of them. But none of them, he went over the plants. He went over everything. And is that balls? Is that balls? Would you call that balls? Whatever it is, I don't have it. I don't know. If you have it, hey, let me know in the comments if you have it. Yeah, I found this video. Tell me it doesn't sound terrifying. That's terrifying. No way.
Yo.
See, I would have went over and helped the bear. But it sounded like that. I thought bears were supposed to sound cute, like little teddy bears.
Yo.
Crap. Man, that just lets you know. Don't mess with them. Don't mess with them. Ever. Yeah. Well, I found this one on Facebook earlier. Here, check this out. Look, in Virginia, they got a guy that bit this guy's finger off at the truck stop, at the fuel pump. Imagine that fight. Imagine breaking up that fight. Someone like he's sucking on his finger, but he's not sucking on it. I think if I just showed up to a fight and someone's sucking on someone's finger, I'm gonna walk away. But apparently they broke it up. Look, it says it started as a fight and ended up with two guys on the ground. And his finger was bitten. Look at this guy. Didn't say why though. Man, I thought you'd like to see that one too. This is the guy that bit his finger off. He doesn't look like anything special. He looks like a regular trucker. Yeah, there's nothing really in this story that's got details in it. Except he got released right away though. Didn't say how much his bond was for. What would bond be for biting someone's finger off? But yeah, keep your cool at the truck stop, guys. Just keep your cool. It's that simple.